Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin and Ethereum update. On this video we're gonna see what's gonna happen as next move for the market. And guys, I would like to say congratulations to everyone who listened to me, because yesterday guys I told you that I was expecting a big move up to $60,700, and I saw some guys in the comment section took this kind of long trade and right now made crazy profits by longing this kind of move up to $60,700. And not only that guys, I told you that we're gonna pump from $60,600 area up to $60,700 area, and we're gonna consolidate until we see the next data to actually convince us if we're gonna see this continuation of the pump or we're gonna see any reversal to again to the downside. So guys, on this video I'm gonna show you what I believe as it's gonna happen from this point as the next move. Are we gonna continue to the upside or we're gonna see any reversal to the downside? And don't confuse the things guys, I still remain in the longer time frame, in the mid long term, I still remain bearish for fundamental. I'm very bearish, and no matter how much we're gonna pump here from technical side, I remain bearish in the mid long term. I still expect a big capitulation to happen, which is gonna crash massively the world crypto market. So don't confuse the things. So guys, if you would like to know all these things we're gonna get in the short term and also for the mid long term, don't forget you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much. Continue this journey with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, and share your friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading everyday crypto videos teaching you how to make smart trades on the crypto market and stack that money. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to do not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump straight to the 1 hour time frame to begin with a Bitcoin. Then we're gonna continue in a bigger time frame for the Bitcoin price, what happened and what I'm expecting in the mid long term to happen. And of course we're gonna finish with mid long term for Ethereum and a short term. So right now let's begin with a 1 hour time frame here. As you can clearly see guys, we had big downtrend movement. We had made here a couple great profits by shorting Bitcoin, but the time that I told you we broke out this massive resistance area, I flipped from bearish to bullish in the short term, and I was expecting to see a big pump up to $60,700 area. Guys, this kind of in the short term the volatility is crazy. You can see, you can have a direction, and the next day this direction can flip very easily from bearish to bullish, because technical analysis in the short time frame, it can happen. You can see flips every day. Okay. I would like just to mention you that to have very well in your mind, because you need that to establish. In the short time frame you can see flips very regularly, but in the mid long term is where you're gonna see actually the price moving with big moves. Okay, so in the mid long term I remain bearish as I told you before, and focus here. We had this breakout that happened exactly at around $60,550, and because of that breakout that happened, I was expecting a big pump to the upside. We saw some kind of pump up to $60,630. Then we saw some rejection. Lots of people here confused that we're gonna get to actually to even lower price, but they didn't notice that here we started moving with an uptrend movement. We had a downtrend movement, and afterwards we had here higher highs in the price of the Bitcoin, which actually here we formed an uptrend movement, an up channel, called as you want. And because of that breakup that happened here guys, I told you, if you remember yesterday, I had here a channel, and I told you that I believe that we're gonna break out this resistance area. It was around the $60,700, and it happened. And I told you, if you're gonna see that, we're gonna consolidate on this area of $60,700. And right now you're gonna ask me, okay Chris, all these things good, but what's the next? Guys, right now I'm gonna jump to indicators, because in the 1 hour time frame you're gonna see the EMA ribbon flip to bullish. Look how bullish is the 1 hour time frame, the EMA ribbon. Also we have here, look at this guys, EMA, the exponential moving average, cross 50 and 200 are going very close to flip. The red line is gonna be over the blue line, and this is gonna create, guys, lots of pump to the price of Bitcoin. Every time you see those flips, most of the times we see big move to the upside. So you're gonna ask me the most simple question, Chris, how much you see this kind of pump to the upside? And guys, I believe the next step is gonna be around $60,850, and we're gonna stay here again for a consolidation phase until we see the next data if it's gonna continue to be bullish. If it's gonna be bullish, guys, we can see up to $70,000, but I don't want to tell you exactly numbers right now because this is gonna depend from tomorrow new stats that we're gonna have. And what else I would like to and right now I also would like to show you a pattern that formed here perfectly, and this and in an 8-hour time frame, and it, guys, is this. It's this, guys, symmetrical triangle. Beautiful formation. You can clearly see a beautiful formation of symmetrical triangle. A move, B move, C move, D move, and with a D move we broke out this massive $60,600 area, which we are retesting this very hard yesterday. And because of that breakout, I told you guys I'm expecting a big pump to the upside, and it happened. But guys, this is not low time frame, it's 8-hour time frame. Beautiful formation. So here we expecting big moves. Okay, if you see here and imply the technical price target, you're gonna see the technical price target of this breakout up to $17,900, and you're gonna tell me, Chris, do you believe that we can reach that high? No, guys, I don't believe that we can reach that high. We don't have that much pressure, that much buying pressure to push the price up there. And guys, do not forget, as we are under the previous bottom of the June, which is the $70,600, for fundamentals I remain very bearish. From technical analysis, I still remain bearish. Okay, we are under the first bottom of the June, which we had this kind of bottom for many months. So also here, guys, do not forget. Also, guys, here, if you ask my honest opinion, I believe that we probably gonna reach the best scenario. Okay, the best, if everything is gonna stay bullish the next 2-3 days, probably gonna see $70,200, $70,300 with some kind of flash pump, and then we're gonna stay $70,200. And I believe, guys, that afterwards we're gonna see a massive crash. So you can clearly understand that this is very temporarily. Don't make huge mistakes by opening crazy long positions. And yesterday, guys, I saw some guys open long positions of the Bitcoin, and always with big caution. I'm showing you what I'm doing with my trades, and I'm telling you some good tips. Only if you are very experienced trader, because I'm not financial advisor, I don't want you to put you in a risk. Only for very experienced traders, always with your own risk. Okay, don't, because you listen to me, go blindly and do things that I'm telling you because you don't know some other things. Okay, in a very short time frame, as I had told you, you can open a trade, and let's say if it's in a 50 minutes time frame, and I see something that doesn't go as I was expecting, I'm closing my position. And it's really hard to actually the same time to tell you to do that, okay, because probably you won't be online, probably I won't be able to be on my PC, on my iPhone, to actually send you a message to close your position. It's a very complicated. Okay, that's why it's only for the very experienced traders. And if you are not that kind of a guy, just do DCA, sit back, relax, buy on those levels very easily, and you're gonna make crazy profits, crazy return when the new bullion is gonna come in, probably close to 2023 in this year, or probably the beginning of the next year. Okay, so this is what I would like to tell you from this Bitcoin situation. Let's focus here in the Ethereum situation really fast to show you what's happening here. You can clearly see here we had, guys, a descending triangle on Ethereum. Also beautiful formation, A move, B move. I was expecting, if you remember, to see C move and break out on this massive support area to actually experience a big crash. This didn't happen we saw this breakout of this resistance, this very strong resistance. Some of you could call this downtrend resistance breakout, and with that kind of resistance breakout, guys, we experienced some bullish action on this current situation. So yes, because of that, I have flipped in the very short term. Okay, I repeat that, in a very short term to very bullish. And if you ask me where I can see Ethereum going, guys, we have some probabilities to get to up to $1,250 easily here, with of course Bitcoin pumping at around $60,000, $800, $900. We can see Ethereum pumping at around this area of $1,250, because also we can clearly see here that we're going, let me put exactly 4-hour time frame. You're gonna see in the 4-hour time frame we're going for a flip on the EMA ribbon, which is, if this is gonna happen, guys, it's extremely bullish. That's why I believe $1,250 is gonna be easy price target to get there. So for a swing trade, it could be a good opportunity before actually to see this kind of flip to open a trade. As you can clearly see, at $1,270 right now, we have some retest of some support areas here at $1,217. Afterwards, I believe gonna see a pump up to $1,225, and we're gonna start pushing the price close to $1,230. Some consolidation here, and I believe then we're gonna have another massive pump to the upside. This is how exactly I believe we're gonna move here. And if we see the EMA exponential moving average, guys, with 50 and 200, you're gonna see that already happened in the 1-hour time frame, which is extremely bullish. It's extremely great entry here to jump into a trade. Of course, only for very experienced traders. I repeat that, because I don't want you to confuse that this is a good opportunity. It's not a good opportunity if you don't know what to do. Okay, it's a good opportunity for very experienced traders. If you are not, just educate yourself from those things, and in the next bull run, when you have done lots of DCA and you have at least 10x on your portfolio, when the Bitcoin is gonna be over $100,000, then you can actually use this 1x and learn how to trade, and you won't care if you lose the money, because it's profit. Okay, don't do with your cash, which is really important to you, instead of DCA if you are an inexperienced trader, because you won't be rich by doing that things. I mean, if you don't know, okay, because if you know, it's another story. So without losing more time here with too much blah blah, I would like just to show you that in smaller time frames we are still very bullish too for Ethereum. And guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you for this video. Also, I had made a membership on YouTube, so a big thank you to everyone who will support or whatsoever. It's gonna be a great move for me to support the channel. And guys, of course, always whatever I do, it's gonna be for free. This is just for appreciation. If you have if you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, I won't separate you. Okay, so guys, this is all that I would like to tell you in this video. Let me know down below in the comment section any kind of question that you would like. Forgive me for my late response on this current the last 2-3 days. I didn't respond nothing on the YouTube, but I'm gonna reply back from 3 days every video. So guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. And if you have a question, do it, drop it, and I'm gonna reply it. Until tomorrow, next video, guys. Your boy Chris out. Bye.